Lambo?
I like it.
Fire, huh? Chef, where we going? We are on the way to the V12 car meet. About to go pick up Andrew. Probably gonna get there right on time, right when they do the two-step. I feel like capital. We can't wait, but you know, we're here. That's just crazy, bro. Lambo.
I like it.
Fire, huh? Fire, fire. I apologize in advance, guys. Not a lot of vlogging because there's so much like flame shooting everywhere. So we're just trying to get good shots. Woo. Another event down. Came late as always, but success on this one. Until next one, y'all. Thanks for watching. Change of plans. We're going to Chuck E. Cheese instead. Just kidding, guys. We are going to this place called Broth Shabu Shabu. Hold on, this looks kind of fancy. Yeah. So I'm so confused on what's going on right now. I'm trying to figure out how this works. Listen to this. Look at all the quail eggs I got, guys. Chefy, what you got?
I don't know.
Can I get some of that?
Yeah.
Chef, look at all the eggs I got. Yeah. Thank you, Chef. Oh, look at that, guys. It's boiling already. So we choose 3 meats, and we all share it in the pot. Here you go, Andrew. Grab it. All right, guys. We're finally getting the hang of shabu shabu. I give it a 9 out of 10, man. I really like the unlimited quail eggs, guys.